Imagine this for a moment. You're cruising through a quiet forest road at sunrise. Golden light hits the windshield. The world outside is completely still, and behind you, in your compact motorhome, is a full living space that feels surprisingly big, like a tiny modern apartment on wheels. A cozy lounge, a real kitchen, a proper bathroom, and a bed that drops down from the ceiling at the push of a button. Now imagine all of that inside a vehicle shorter than a normal parking spot. That's the magic of the 2026 Chausson X650, a small camper that opens up like a big, life-changing space. Today, we're exploring how this compact machine flips the script on motorhome design and why so many travelers are calling it the smartest small RV for 2026. When you first step into the X650, you immediately feel something different. It doesn't feel cramped. It doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels clever. Every wall, every seat, every cabinet, designed with purpose. This is Chausson's 2026 approach. A small footprint, a bold interior, and a layout that transforms depending on your mood. Working, relaxing, cooking, sleeping. It all adjusts in seconds. So today, let's walk through the exterior, the interior, all the features, and why this small camper offers big motorhome comfort. From the outside, the X650 immediately stands out with a short body and compact stance. It's built on the Ford Transit chassis, giving it a strong road presence while still being incredibly easy to handle. More like a family van than a big RV. You get modern full LED lighting, a sharp front design, and aerodynamic edges that help with fuel efficiency. Its size makes it city-friendly, mountain-friendly, and camping-friendly, truly a go-anywhere travel partner. Large tinted windows run along the sides, giving you privacy as well as beautiful natural light inside. And at the rear, the elegant two-tone finish adds a premium, almost automotive luxury touch. The exterior storage is integrated cleanly, with enough room for chairs, cables, hoses, and your adventure gear, all without ruining the clean design lines. Small on the outside, powerful in capability. Open the sliding door, and the first thing you notice is space. Real, usable space. The kind of space you normally only see in much bigger motorhomes. The interior feels airy thanks to the large windows, bright LED lighting, and an open lounge layout. Chausson uses soft-touch materials, warm upholstery colors, and a mobile home style design theme, creating a cozy modern environment. The moment you step in, you feel like you're inside a small Scandinavian apartment. Let's start with the lounge area because this is the real centerpiece of the X650. You get a face-to-face lounge setup, 2 long sofas facing each other, giving you space to stretch your legs, host friends, or simply relax after a long drive. The table in the center swivels, folds, and adjusts in height. Whether you're working on a laptop, eating dinner, or hosting a travel game night, this lounge adapts to your needs. And the large panoramic windows on both sides bring in natural views. Forests, mountains, beaches, whatever destination you choose, it becomes part of your living room. Lighting plays a big role here too. Hidden ambient strips, warm ceiling LEDs, and soft reading lights create the perfect evening mood. Small camper, big living room. Now let's talk about the bed, because this is where things get clever. When you look around, you might wonder, where is the bed? Well, it's right above you. The X650 features an electric drop-down bed that lowers smoothly from the ceiling. At night, it becomes a spacious double bed with a proper mattress, cozy lighting, and overhead storage pockets. During the day, it rises back up, giving you full floor space without removing cushions or folding anything manually. This is the key to why the X650 feels so big. The bed takes zero daytime space and transforms the entire layout instantly. Move slightly forward and you reach the kitchen, compact in size, but extremely capable. You get a 2-burner gas hob, a deep stainless steel sink, a tall 134-liter fridge, soft closed drawers, organized storage, overhead cabinets with strong hinges, and enough countertop space for prepping meals. The layout is clean, everything is within reach, and the design makes cooking simple. Whether you're frying breakfast, making soup on a cold evening, or just preparing coffee before sunrise, this kitchen is more than enough for everyday travel life. And then comes the biggest surprise of the X650, the bathroom. This small camper doesn't settle for a tiny wet room. Instead, it features a clever swing wall bathroom, where the entire wall rotates to create a full-size shower cabin. Inside, you get a proper toilet, a basin with storage, ventilation, towel racks, shelves, and enough room to shower comfortably. It's private, it's practical, and it's honestly unbelievable for a motorhome this size. This is one of the biggest advantages the X650 has over many compact RVs on the market. Chausson didn't stop at design, they focused on practicality too. Storage is everywhere, and it's smartly integrated. You get hidden storage under the sofas, overhead cabinets around the lounge, wardrobe space, kitchen drawers, entrance compartments. Every inch is used intelligently. Nothing rattles, nothing feels cheap, and everything feels like it's been tested in real travel situations. This is what sets the X650 apart. Smart engineering combined with everyday comfort. The X650 isn't trying to be a giant luxury motorhome. Instead, it's trying to be the perfect compact travel partner. And here's what really makes it unique. You get a big lounge inside a small body, something most compact campers simply can't offer. The drop-down bed means zero wasted space. The swing wall bathroom gives you a proper shower experience. The driving feel is like a van, not a huge RV, making it great for tight cities, sharp mountain turns, and small campsites. And finally, the entire interior feels modern and warm, with LED lighting and soft fabrics giving it the feel of a contemporary micro-apartment. Now I want to ask you, what's your favorite part of the Chausson X650? Is it the lounge, the drop-down bed, or the smart rotating bathroom? Let me know in the comments. I always love reading what you think. At the end of the day, the 2026 Chausson X650 is more than just a small camper. It's a feeling, a lifestyle, a tiny home with a big heart. It's for the traveler who wants freedom without driving a giant vehicle. It's for the weekend adventurer, the sunrise chaser, the person who loves waking up in new places without sacrificing comfort. Small outside, spacious inside, and designed for people who believe the world is better when you explore it slowly, one destination at a time. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more motorhome videos just like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next journey.